Hi, welcome to Scoop News Group's series on Next-Gen IT Heroes. I'm your host, Managing Editor Billy Mitchell. Today I'm here with George Batsakis. You're the EVP and the Chief Growth Officer.
That's right.
How are you doing today?
Doing great.
It's fantastic to have you here today at CSRI's headquarters to talk about what you guys are doing for Next-Gen IT, what we're talking about today on this video series. But I wanted to start off with an easy question, kind of to hear your perspective on what you see federal agencies doing when it comes to moving to Next-Gen IT.
Yeah, it's across the board. We're seeing agencies in all of our markets that we serve, the health and civil market, intelligence, the Department of Defense, and Homeland Security, and law enforcement, taking a hard look at next-gen capabilities and figuring out a path to migrate to them because of the inherent benefits in both operational effectiveness for the citizens and the agencies that they serve, and also cost effectiveness.
Yeah, and so when it comes to moving to a next-gen IT system, what are the differences between kind of maintaining and modernizing your typical legacy system?
Yeah, we all know that there's been just incredible growth in new capabilities in next-gen IT. And they come in both technical and also business rules that change. A lot of the contracts that they're looking for are going to enable next-gen technologies because they're outcome-based. They manage their managed services. So a good example of that is where traditional IT infrastructures or applications that have been around for a long time are getting more and more costly to maintain and operate. Going to a next-gen system that's more agile in the processes for development and as-a-service type delivery allows the government to take some of the big investments off the table and run to a more consistent level of IT operations spend and, frankly, an increase in effectiveness.
Yeah, and then kind of on the back end, what does that mean for citizen services, customer services, the different ways that the government's able to kind of meet its mission need? How does next-gen IT differ from the legacy stuff?
Yeah, well, just think about how we use technology every day now with a mobile platform or web-based services that you use for any number one of the things that you do online. The government traditionally has provided services in a more bureaucratic and official way that's going to be process-laden and difficult sometimes to navigate and get used to. That's necessary because of the highly regulated aspect of what the government does in providing the citizens. But if you can picture a time when you can access those government services on your phone or through your web browser, really anywhere at any time, that's the same kind of look and feel and service that the government is now capable of providing, just like a business would or an education institution or a bank.
Sure. And then you guys have been around the block when it comes to the next-gen IT stuff. You've seen a lot of these examples and helped agencies work with it. What is some advice you might pass on to other agencies or other people working to move government to a next-gen IT paradigm?
Yeah, I think there's a holistic approach. It's really what we bring to the table as a partner to the federal government. The migration to the new technology, in some cases, is the easy part. Yeah. It's getting all those business rules and processes down so that they can take advantage of technology. So moving things to an on-premise IT infrastructure or an applications that are single-purpose to a multi-purpose cloud environment where you're delivering as a service to citizens or agency participants is really the end state. In order to get there, though, there's a lot of organizational change and other changes that need to take place to take advantage of the technology.
Sure. Well, all great stuff, George. I appreciate all your time today, kind of answering our questions on Next-Gen IT.
Hey, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. For more on Next-Gen IT Heroes, visit fedscoop.com. I'm Billy Mitchell. Thanks for watching.